What if you could learn from one of the greatest investors of all time in just a few minutes? Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has shared decades of timeless wisdom that can change the way you think about money, risk, and success. In this video, we've gathered his 40 best quotes, powerful, practical, and sometimes unexpected. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, these lessons will inspire you to think smarter, invest better, and stay focused on what really matters. Welcome to EverVest. Let's make your money smarter. Warren Buffett, 1930, is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and is widely considered the most successful investor of all time. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, he built his wealth by applying the principles of value investing, popularized by Benjamin Graham, and by patiently investing in high-quality businesses for the long term. Buffett believes in simplicity, discipline, and emotional control as the pillars of good investing. Let's begin with the quotes. Rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Preserving capital is the foundation of everything. 2, it's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Compounding quality beats chasing bargains. 3, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Long-term thinking pays off. 4, our favorite holding period is forever. Buy with the intent to hold, not to trade. 5, price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Never confuse cost with worth. 6, it's better to be approximately right than precisely wrong. Useful insight beats false precision. 7, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. The crowd is usually wrong at extremes. 8, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Knowledge is the best risk management tool. 9, never invest in a business you can't understand. Simplicity is power. 10, the market is like an emotional pendulum. Don't follow its mood swings. Use them. 11, only when the tide goes out do you discover who's been swimming naked. Crises reveal who took too many risks. 12, if you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Think in decades, not days. 13, diversification is protection against ignorance. The less you know, the more you need to spread your bets. 14, you don't have to be a rocket scientist. Investing is not complicated, but that doesn't mean it's easy. Discipline matters more than IQ. 15, investing is simple, but not easy. The hardest part is sticking to what works. 16, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Patience is your competitive edge. 17, time is the friend of the wonderful business, the enemy of the mediocre. Compounding rewards quality. 18, successful investing takes time, discipline, and patience. There are no shortcuts. 19, the most important rule is not to lose your head when everyone around you is losing theirs. Emotional control separates winners from losers. 20, you don't have to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. Consistency beats brilliance. 21, when you find yourself in a hole, the first thing to do is stop digging. Don't compound your mistakes. 22, what the wise do in the beginning, fools do in the end. Timing and discipline matter. 23, forecasts may tell you a great deal about the forecaster. They tell you nothing about the future. Be skeptical of predictions. 24, chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Build good habits early. They'll shape your life. 25, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Focus and discipline go hand in hand. 26, you only find out who is swimming naked when the tide goes out. Reality always catches up. 27, opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Be bold when the time is right. 28, in the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. Hindsight is easy. Foresight is rare. 29, it's not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. Repeat of number 20, intentional emphasis from Warren Buffett. 30, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Your mind is your greatest asset. 31, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Repeated and worth repeating. 32, the investor of today does not profit from yesterday's growth. Look forward, not backward. 33, in the short run, the market is a voting machine. In the long run, it is a weighing machine. Popularity fades, substance endures. 34. Never test the depth of the river with both feet. Don't risk everything at once. 35. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. Character matters, especially in business. 36. Beware the investment activity that produces applause. The great moves are usually greeted by yawns. The best decisions are often boring. 37. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. Protect your name. 38. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Some things take time no matter what. 39. Wide diversification is only required when investors do not understand what they are doing. Mastery allows concentration. 40. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Avoiding big mistakes is half the game. Wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about understanding what truly matters and having the patience to let it work for you. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Keep compounding.